In this video, I'm going to show you how to save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF, just like this. Really easy and simple. Open up your Chrome browser and go to Google and search for Chrome Web Store. You want to open up this first link right here. And here you want to search for this extension that is called a ChatGPT to PDF. It has about 40,000 users who have used it. It's completely safe. And you can also go ahead and use formulas, codes, and images into your PDF. Now come here, click on Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension and wait for this to download. There we go. It has just downloaded and has been added to our Chrome. I'm going to click on this. So click here for the extensions and click this to pin it, okay? Now what you're going to do is just open up a new tab and then just come here and click on the extension. And this will open up your ChatGPT and you will see some extra options right here. Okay, but this is my original ChatGPT. These options were not there. Here we go. We have a save as PDF option. So I'm going to come here and click on, let's say this one. And now there's a bunch of different options I want to show you. Okay, so here is my conversation with ChatGPT. I can decide to save the whole conversation as a PDF. I can just click on this and it will start downloading the conversation as a PDF automatically and save it to my computer. And I'll show you some other methods as well. So while this is downloading, there we go. It has done downloading. Let me open this up in a new tab. And here we go, guys. This is the title. Of course, you can come here and change the title here. You can just rename that. But if you scroll down, here we go. This is everything, the whole conversation. Now, the other options, I can click on this drop-down menu. I can save only the ChatGPT messages. And that will open up download another PDF for me. Only messages from ChatGPT without my prompts. Okay. And the other option, I'm going to show you, you can come here and select specific messages you want to save. So let me show you this one. This is only the ChatGPT messages. Here you go. This looks even better, especially for notes. Now, the third option, you select the specific messages to save. For example, if I only want to save this one, I click here and it will not save this one. And then just go ahead and save as PDF. And then it will go ahead and save. Of course, you can change the theme from light to dark as well to save them as a PDF. It's really that easy and simple, guys. Let me open this up and show you. Here you go. Only the selected conversation. Really that easy.